Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, me and my friend are going to Boracay Island. Join us as we explore the island for 3 days and 2 nights. And we have arrived here at around 10 in the morning. So dito kami naghintay sa lounge ng Southwest Tours. Kasama na siya naming binayaran nung nag-book kami ng hotel accommodation namin. So ayan, papunta na kami doon sa Boracay Island mismo kasi this is from the airport lang. And then ayan, sumakay kami ng boat. This takes around 5 to 7 minutes ride lang naman. And nakarating na kami dito sa hotel. So magla-lunch muna kami ng friend ko kasi super gutom from the biyahe. After namin mag-lunch, chinek namin tong beach area in front of the hotel. And then this is the pool area. By the way, nag-stay kami dito sa Microtel by Wyndham. This is located in Station 1. Quick room tour lang tayo. So pagpasok nyo on the right side, ito na yung bathroom. So kompleto naman ang toiletries nila here. Ayan. And then itong room namin is 2 twin beds lang kami ng aking friend. And then, ayan, kompleto naman siya. May fridge, may TV, may cabinet. And then, ito yung balcony namin. After namin mag-rest, lumabas na kami just in time for the sunset. So, this is the Boracay sunset. This is around 5 or 6. And then, after here, nagpicture muna kami and then take some videos. And then, na-invite kami na mag-dinner dito sa may Astoria, Boracay. Kasama yung friend ko, kaming dalawa. And then, yeah, this is the Boracay sunset. Dumiretso na nga kami dito sa Astoria, Boracay. Dito kami magdi-dinner ng aking friend dahil na-invite nga kami for a free dinner buffet here at Astoria, Boracay. And ito yung mga foods na sinaserve nila here and nag-enjoy naman kami ng friend ko sa free dinner dito. And then, ayan, meron lang little catch. No, pag nag-dinner kayo, pag na-invite kayo here sa Astoria, so hindi ko na siya i-detalye. Gusto ko ma-experience nyo siya. But thank you Astoria Boracay for the free dinner buffet. And after nga nung dinner namin, ayan, naglakad-lakad kami ng friend ko here. Ayan, nadaanan namin tong Henan. This is super famous hotel here in Boracay. Meron silang live band dito sa labas. And dyan sa labas yung kanilang restaurant. And then these are the souvenir shops. Ayan, sa gilid lang ng daan. And then dito kami napadpad ng aking friend sa isang super cute bar lang siya. Parang chill-chill ka lang dyan. Reggae style ang bar na ito. It's called The Exit. And ang music jam lang nila dito is all reggae. So ayan, dito lang kami ng friend ko nag-chill for the whole night. And that's it for today's video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!